Welcome back to Real Pop English. Today is part 2. It's my turn. You'll see my everyday life. I'm going to use native English today. The sentences are very short and easy. Let's get started.
I couldn't sleep at all last night. I had a huge history essay. The deadline was 6 o'clock am today. High school is so stressful these days. I finished it right before morning. I closed my eyes for 10 minutes. Then my door flew open.
What a mess. Olivia, wake up. Look at the clock. Wake up right now.
Oh my God, Mom! 5 more minutes! I'm so tired. Stop yelling at me!
My room is messy, I know. But I had no time to clean. I was studying all night. Mom doesn't know my schedule. She thinks I'm just lazy. It makes me so sad.
Get up now. I'm gonna make lunch. Come down in 10 minutes, or I'll splash water on you.
I don't want to eat breakfast! I prefer sleeping over eating. I'm so tired.
I snapped at my mom. And I feel really bad about it. I rushed to the bathroom. Then I checked my phone. Oh no, I forgot the portal. The school field trip form was due. The online system closes at 7:30 a.m. If I miss it, I can't go. I ran to the kitchen. She looked very busy. But I had no choice. Mom, sign this form now. It's a makeup guide form. And the field trip form. 5 minutes left. Hurry.
What, right now? Why do you always wait until the last minute? You should have done this yesterday. Why do you do this in the morning?
Her hands had May on them.
Look at my hands. I am making lunch right now.
I felt bad.
Oh, fine.
But it was an emergency. She typed her name quickly.
Done.
We made it with 1 minute left. My heart was beating so fast. I went back to my room. I needed to feel better. So I started my camera. I wanted to make a TikTok video. It's a get ready with me video. All my friends do this. I put on my favorite outfit. A crop top and biker shorts. This is the style these days. Then Mom knocked loudly.
Olivia, still in the bathroom? It's been 30 minutes. It's almost time to go. We're gonna be late. Come out now.
Mom, stop yelling. I'm filming a TikTok. Get ready with me. Your voice is in it now. She ruined my audio. And she looked at my clothes. Her face turned red.
What is that top? It's too tight and short. And those biker shorts? Too short. Are you going to a club? Change right now.
Oh my God, Mom, chill. Everyone wears this. It's the trend, it's hip. You denote teen fashion. Don't be so old-fashioned. I didn't want to fight. But I couldn't give up on fashion. I grabbed my school bag. I ran to the car. The road was a nightmare. Cars were not moving at all. I knew I was late. My teacher is very strict about lateness. I felt so sick and nervous. Mom started speaking again.
See? I told you. Get up early, I said. Morning traffic's terrible. The school's a parking lot.
Her voice made me more anxious. I knew I was late. I needed an escape. I connected my phone to Bluetooth. I played loud rap music. The heavy beat helps my anxiety. It blocks the noise. But Mom got angry.
Hey, turn down the music. Too many bad words. Turn it off now.
Mom, it's just music. Nobody cares about lyrics. The beat's good. Can't I listen to my music? You're a dictator in this car. I can't breathe.
We arrived at school late. The bell rang 5 minutes ago. I didn't even say goodbye. I just slammed the car door. I ran straight inside. I left Mom alone in the car. I really wanted to cry. But I held it in. Why is every morning a fight? While I was in class, I felt bad. I shouldn't have said dictator. Mom drives me every day. I know she loves me. I know she cleans my room. My room is always perfect after school. She works so hard for me. But school is a different world. Image is everything here. If you look uncool, you get excluded. I have to follow the trends. I have to use a hydro flask. I have to wear cool clothes. It's hard to balance both worlds. Family world and school world are different. Then came the worst part. Lunchtime. I sat with the popular girls. I opened my lunchbox. Mom made an egg salad sandwich. Suddenly, a bad smell spread. Egg salad smells like sulfur in a closed box. My friend covered her nose.
Who farted?
Everyone started laughing at me.
What is that gross smell?
They asked. I froze. My face burned. I closed the box immediately. I was so embarrassed. I couldn't eat a bite. I wanted to get school lunch instead. I usually bring my lunchbox. Because school lunch tastes terrible, I usually skip it. But today, my lunchbox smelled too bad. I just couldn't eat it. And I was starving. So I went to get school lunch. But the line was way too long. The lunch period ended too fast. So I starved all day. I only drank water from my bottle. I had a terrible headache from hunger. I came home. I was exhausted. I went straight to my bed. I just fell asleep in my school clothes. Then Mom woke me up. She was holding the sandwich.
Why didn't you eat lunch? Your sandwich is still there. Did you starve all day?
I exploded. I was too weak. I told her about the egg smell. I told her about the fart jokes. Mom didn't understand.
Then you should buy pizza.
But the line was too long. I'm hungry and have a headache. Please leave my room. Close the door.
Fine, I'm not cleaning this up. I left the lunchbox right there. Washed the water bottle and the lunchbox.
And then she left the room. I felt so sorry right after. Later, she came back into my room.
You just made a mess again.
She let out a big sigh.
I made fresh pot roast and mashed potatoes. Eat meat, mashed potatoes, and veggies. Your stomach'll hurt.
I'm not eating. I'm not hungry. I'm busy with homework.
Homework? Really? You're making a TikTok with your friend. You have an exam tomorrow. You don't study. You only play with your phone. That's why you can't wake up. That's why you're tired.
Mom, I got this. I know how to study. Why'd you come in without asking? You spy on me. You control me. Your nagging gives me stress. I'm going crazy. Please get out of my room right now.
She left. Actually, I was starving. So, I went to the kitchen to eat something later. She's sitting alone at the dinner table. She comes down quietly. I don't look at the table. I take a soda from the fridge. I take chips and instant ramen. I'm eating in the corner.
Olivia, why are you eating there? Come here.
Eat meat, mashed potatoes, and veggies.
Why eat junk food for dinner? That's why you're always tired. Your immune system's weak.
Whatever. If I sit there, you'll lecture me. Study hard, fix your attitude. I hate it. Eating ramen alone is better. I'm going up. Guys, do you get how I feel? I know she loves me. I know she worries about me. But her words are too harsh. I just need some space. Why is it so hard? It was past midnight. I was sitting on my bed. I was just looking at my phone. Then my door opened gently. It was Mom. She was wearing her robe. I just kept staring at my screen. We didn't say a single word. I heard her sigh quietly. My lunchbox was on the floor. And my hydro flask too. Mom just bent down. She picked them up herself. I didn't even empty my water bottle. The ice melted. So it's super heavy. My lunchbox probably smells bad too. I felt my face turn hot. I felt so guilty. But my mouth wouldn't open. Why am I so stubborn? She quietly left my room. Now I hear the water running. She's washing them at this hour. She'll dry them tonight. So I can take lunch tomorrow. Tomorrow morning. She'll wake me up again. She'll tell me to hurry up. She worries I'll get a cold. She wants me to eat warm food. I know she does everything for me. I know it all comes from love. But why do we always fight? Why is it so hard to just say I'm sorry? Being a teenager is hard. But being a mom looks way harder. Tomorrow, I won't yell. I'll try to be better.
Thanks for listening to my story today. We fight sometimes, but I really love my mom. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Have a great day, guys.